Hey there! Akiki is celebrating his birthday, and his mathematics teacher gave him so many balloons. Akiki is so happy because the balloons float in the air. He has not stopped playing with the balloons since then. Can you see the numbers on the balloons? Akiki is having fun while counting numbers. Let's join him. We will be counting from 381 to 400. Let's count the balloons as Akiki allows them to float. 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400. Wow, there are so many balloons. Akiki is so happy. Can you tell me what number is after 382? It is 383. Is 396 before 395? Yes? That's not correct. 396 is after 395. Let's count the numbers on the balloons again in order to master them. Ready? Remember to repeat after me. Let's go. 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400. Nice one. We rock. Uh-oh, one of the balloons just burst. What number was on it? What number is after 389? It is 390. That was the number on the balloon. Wow, it is back. And another balloon burst. What number was on it? What number is before 386? It is 385. Correct. You can see that it is back. I'm sure you have learned how to count from 381 to 400. Keep counting and don't forget to have fun. Bye.